Hello, viewers. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on where you are watching us from. My name is Abiodun James. This is POP Cine Design. Check it out. This is lovely and simple POP Cine Design for kitchen. You can demand us if you have socks work done on 080 63 09 8718 for simple POP ceiling design. Our price is affordable and distance is not a barrier. Check it out. This is lovely, perfectly installed. You can see the cleaning, very clean job. Very clean job. If you have such work done, you can demand Abiodun James once again on 080 63 09 8718. Check it out. So once we start the tiling will touch the POP. You can see we rub the plastering. Check it out. You can contact us if you have such work done. Our price is affordable and we don't disappoint clients. Thanks for watching. Please share this video to your family and friends. And don't forget to turn down the notification bell so that when we drop the next video, you'll be updated. Thanks so much. God bless you.